Creating video. Hey guys, today we're doing an extreme training video, and sorry, we traded I think with I'm ladybug, to Ghost Bunny and a neon fly, normal lady, and I feel like that was quite good. So yeah, I didn't really record that, but I didn't record. Alright, so. Like Rocky. Alright. This was Izzy Total. Oh, that's a Ghost Bunny. It's okay, you can't get more. And then there is Neon Fly. He looks so cute. So I don't know how to say it, but like he's just really cool. With that. Just to fly up to the just fly up to the sky. Yeah, so let's just go and teleport to the game. Because he really came well. Oh my. Alright, I'm just going to see if anyone on my friend list is on. You need to find a good server. Bye-bye. Right. So you guys, let's just go into the video. Right. I need to find something good. What is it? That's better. Trade this girl. Well, who was the other girl or boy? I'm gonna say please turtle. Please don't. Please turtle. That's like I really want. So we're thinking about it. It's okay to think. This is really not gonna look like it. And even here. That is where an RTV started.
So I need to make a clearance guarantee.
And let's say tarot. I don't think like that's human for this.
Yeah, it's Gemma Morgan.
When you update him out,
50
it's
@gmail.com.
so there's my ladybug. So cute.
Gemma, Gemma. Morgan 5.
But I'm not gonna upload it. You've never had a solid. We'll forget another.
Gemma Morgan.
And then they're already left. Still got replaced. Wait, what are they gonna hit? I don't know what to hit. Again.
Yes. How do I do that?
No, I'm not gonna do it, sorry.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, so we're getting to the class. Alright, let's say hi. Yeah. Hi. Neil. Wait, here.
You see this?
I don't really want NT. No, I don't have enough.
Okay, so obviously this piece here, you're supposed to press the button and then that will lift. So I had to like hold it up. And stand upright. But all of this piece in here has cracked. Can you see?
Can I have?
That's all cracked. So obviously I can't put it up because there's nothing to hold it up anymore.
Oh, like so weird. Right, so I can unscrew them and see what they put in. Kinda like that.
Be careful not to snap the wire because there's a wire in there. Yes. It is S28Q.
That's like
1209
one thing that I've always
Z2Z5.
But that's quite cool. That's what I'm gonna do. I just went off of that turtle. No one has it. So I'm just gonna fly. Right, are you going over the new round slope? You can do that.
We have moved. No, we've moved. It's number 70. Okay.
No, he don't like that. Wouldn't do it. He's dreaming. I don't even know if I get it off that.
Delta Hotel 1.
No. Oh, it's right off like that. Oh, yeah. No, there's a kids today for a word. There's no only decline. We always decline.
Number 70, please.
Right, I'll take the cost for it.
Yes.
And bunny trading cost. I'm gonna school's got to a steam. We're gonna put that in. Yeah.
Is that, are you sending a complete,
Alright,
are you sending the complete unit, or is it like something I need to repair?
The replacement for the wand.
Sorry?
You know the
Just two.
For the wand. Okay, so the whole bottom part.
it's well, you can remove
Right, I don't really want that.
Yes.
Trying to find out
Okay, right, lovely. Thank you.
Is there anything else I can assist you with right now?
No, that's fine. Thank you for your help. Okay.
Let's just go through. That's all we have. So actually,
You too. Bye.
yeah, it's really hard for us if you don't. I'm machine right now is because all the farming was the best like ever. But I don't know. They started to grow up in 2020. But I didn't I missed the Ocean and stuff. No, so like So you're gonna see a journal also you. Oh, no, we just gotta forget. What for? You fly lady. Mum, shall I do it? Mum, shall I do it? Neon red slug.
If that's what you want.
It's out again, like a ladybird.
Right.
And that will never come back, and that will.
Mhm.
You know, there's a red that will never come back.
Okay. Well, if that's what you want to do it.
Yeah, because that will never come back, but the ladybird will. You know, don't rare and slugs uncommon.
Do you want some cardboard?
It's like now that it's been the. I might tell you guys. Just do no first
Can you just
tradition.
tell me still hair down in?
What? No. But I look. It's neon slug. Whoa. Yeah. I used to have a slug that rated it. That's really cool, that zebra.
Yeah, okay, yes.
Yes, I
What
want
about having some weird or something like that? No, you ain't got the food of you guys. Food to me.
No.
Yes. What about some chocolate in it?
What?
What about chocolate porridge?
Yes.
You're not getting that. No.
That's all I
No,
want.
that's not going to happen.
I have not done
Abby, you haven't had breakfast yet?
so want.
Too much salt's not good for you. And if crisps
I don't want anything.
have some breakfast first, then you can have. Well, what about if I do some sausages or something like that? Or beans on toast?
No.
A cheesy bean toasty?
No. Wait. Sorry.
What about some eggs?